So, informational video here. Some people have been asking, do you lose horsepower, do you lose torque when you straight pipe a Challenger RT? And judging by the times here, the answer is no. I just ran a 5.00 0 to 60, which matches the best I ever did before when it had the really expensive Borla full exhaust kit on it. I think that Borla exhaust kit, I didn't buy it, the previous owner put it on here, but I think it was like $1,500 or something. Really high-end exhaust kit, and I pulled a 5-second flat. Well, I just went to the exhaust shop, like I said, and I had them do a straight pipe exhaust. It does still have the catalytic converters, but everything else is just straight pipe all the way out the back, and this car still is exactly as fast as it was before. The difference is it sounds amazing now. Yeah, that's what a muscle car is supposed to sound like. Yeah, so this car sounds really good now. I'm super happy with how that turned out. It sounds like, in my opinion, how a muscle car ought to sound. Something that really annoys me, though, I was at the tire shop yesterday and we were talking, and the guy was saying something about, hey, you still run a bunch of Mustangs, don't you? And I told him I don't have Mustangs anymore. I have a Challenger now. And he immediately came back with that line that we hear over and over and over again. He's like, why would you want something so heavy? Oh my goodness. So another informational piece here, this car weighs right at 4,000 pounds. It might be like 3950. It's right at 4,000 pounds. You know, my buddy has a Mustang 10-speed 5.0. Those are like 3,800 pounds. You know, you're talking 200 pounds difference. And look at how much more car you get. You get a usable back seat, a huge trunk. It drives like a dream. It sounds amazing. It's a ton of fun. You know, I'll take that 200-pound penalty any day of the week. So I'm going to clean the girl up real good tomorrow, and we're going to head down to Somerset for the Summer Nights Cruise. It's actually Mustang month. They do a theme every month, and August is Mustang month. So there will be like 8 million Ford Mustangs down there. But there's a lot of other cars that show up too, so we'll go up and down the strip and have a good time. Got to get her all cleaned up. These gravel roads out here are not good for keeping your car clean. I keep saying if I win the lottery one of these days, I'm going to pave all these gravel roads out here. But anyway, that's it for now, guys. Enjoy your weekend. We'll catch you later.